To transfer Ethereum to the Polygon network using Metamask, you will need to have the Metamask wallet extension installed in your browser. First, open Metamask and click on the three dots next to your account name. Then click on Expand View to open the full Metamask interface. Next, click on the Add Network button and enter the Polygon network details, which include network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. The network name is Polygon. The RPC URL is https://polygon-rpc.com. The chain ID is 137. The currency symbol is MOTIC. And the block explorer URL is https://polygonscan.com. After adding the Polygon network, you will need to bridge your Ethereum to the Polygon network. To do this, go to the official Polygon Bridge website and connect your MetaMask wallet. Select the token you want to transfer, in this case, Ethereum, and the amount you want to transfer. Then, confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, your Ethereum will be locked on the Ethereum network and the equivalent amount of Ethereum will be minted on the Polygon network. You can then use your Ethereum on the Polygon network to interact with decentralized applications. Or you can transfer it to another wallet. To check your balance, go back to MetaMask and switch to the Polygon network, and you should see your Ethereum balance. It is essential to note that transferring assets between networks can come with risks, such as network congestion and high fees. Always make sure to check the transaction fees before confirming a transaction. And never transfer more assets than you can afford to lose. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer Ethereum to the Polygon network using MetaMask. Remember to always prioritize security and only use reputable sources when interacting with cryptocurrency.